Bounce. West side, make them bounce right now. North side, make them bounce right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Is you down for the cause right now? Fed side, make them bounce right now. Get the money and we out right now. We the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make them bounce right now. Like that.
What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video right here I'm going to do a full face beat using all Makeup Revolution products. Makeup Revolution is a UK based brand, but they've been making some noise here in America. I own a couple of their products, so I was like, why not do a full face beat? I gotta be the plug and let y'all know what is going on with Makeup Revolution.
So if you think the melanin is popping, keep on watching.
The first Makeup Revolution product I'm going to use is the Conceal and Define, the color C12. I like a pretty light under eye.
It's worse than these celebrities showing they kitten.
So for my eyebrows, I didn't pick up a Makeup Revolution product, but I'm going to use what I always use, the NYX cake powder in the color dark.
Didn't want to take a chance on my brows, so I just stuck to what I knew. Okay, what I know.
So I'm gonna use the same concealer in that color C12.
I'm gonna go clean up me eyebrows. I'm gonna clean them up.
Green white thing, it's a magic thing. That's my mama's thing. West African thing.
You already know.
Preach, preach, preach.
What?
Okay.
So now that our eyebrows are looking clean, you know, crisp, ready to go, ready to make moves, I'm going to use, this is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Banana. So I'm gonna put some of that under my eye.
I'm a bad boy like Biggie, whole city, stay litty, took a second, had to think.
And the reason why I'm putting this to bake, I want to leave it on while I do my eyeshadow so it can catch the fallout that's gonna happen once I start applying the eyeshadow onto my eyelids. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette. The front smudged off, but this is what it's called. And I like Revolution for the fact that they put the name of the palettes right on the back of their product, which is very useful because they know that the front does smudge off pretty easily. I'm going to use this brown color right over here. As you can see, a dark color. I'm gonna just put that on my crease. ASAP, 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 hey. ASAP, 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 hey.
New weapon, do it seconds. Yeah, yeah. It's all about to work out.
Okay, after we're done doing that, I want a little bit of a cut crease situation going on. So I'm going to use the same concealer.
Go. Okay. No. No. Hold up. Bridge. Bridge.
Now, one thing I am noticing about this concealer is that it dries pretty fast. So you gotta work
pretty darn fast to get this go in the way you want because it's drying pretty fast.
The reason why I did put this concealer on top just to make that kind of cut crease because I want the lid color to be super pigmented.
I don't know which color to pick. I don't. The girl does not know. I don't know.
I'm really in love with this orange color right here. I think I'm gonna pick this one.
New weapon. Do it seconds. A new pendant. Yeah.
Ooh. Yes.
This is looking. Okay, come through, Makeup Revolution. Come through, boy.
Come through. Look at that. Ew. Ew. So this is another palette I picked up for Makeup Revolution because I just thought that the highlighter in the middle was just beautiful. It's like pink, and you know I love some pink. I love some pink highlighters. I love them. And this is the Revolution Love Conquers All palette right here. Let's hit them with the whites. Let me put some of this white right here. It's been a long time since I've done this. This is in my tear duct.
Just put. Okay, honey. Come through.
Okay, it's shimmering.
Now that we got our eyeshadow looking right and getting tight, okay, our eyeshadow looking bomb, we're going to then dust off this highlighter under our eyes.
I can do
This banana powder did a good job. Okay, Makeup Revolution, you're doing your thing. Okay.
So I do have another powder that I'd like to use, and that is their Terra Cotta powder. And let's use this for, you already know, to chisel these cheekbones.
I'm going to use one of my favorite contour brushes. It came from the Amazon set I talked about in my last video. If you haven't seen my last video, go back and check it out. Check it out.
Dab right under there. Oh, yeah. Put that right. So let's put it right in there.
Now go in with that same concealer and define, but in a different color. This color is in C18. And then I'm going to blend the contour out.
Do it seconds. A new pendant. Yeah. Yeah.
So after we're all chiseled, okay, we're cutting, we're slicing. Next, you know, I got to do something with the lashes.
The Loreal Telescopic Mascara. This is my favorite mascara right here.
Nah. Hold up. Bridge. Bridge. Bridge.
To say our eyelashes are here, you know, our bottom lashes are here too.
I'm gonna go in with my NYX Vinyl eyeliner. It's like to put just a little bit, just to exaggerate that I do have some eyeliner on. I'll just put like a little wing at the end, even though I don't want to put it throughout my eyelashes because I want to make sure that color is still popping.
To give it that little, you know, like I'm flying, the wings, you know.
So next, we cannot forget our highlighter.
We cannot forget that. It is essential to every look during the winter, during whenever. You gotta be popping with your highlight.
I'm going to use the Love Conquers All palette again. This heart in the middle. A good amount on. Oh.
Shining, 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 yeah. Yes, yes. I'm scared to put more on because right now I am blinding.
So I decided I'm going to do a pinky with a pop of glitter lip. My CoverGirl Define a line my lips with it. Use the NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Embellishment. AOA Diamond Lip Gloss in the color Glitz. See how this gave that fluorescent look to my lips. So the final verdict for Makeup Revolution is it's poppin'. My favorites had to be the two palettes right here, the Love Conquers All and the Division 2 palette. I did like the banana powder and the terracotta powder and the two concealers, but the eyeshadows by far are my favorite products that I use from Makeup Revolution. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Make sure you share this video with
a friend, okay, with a family member.
And make sure you give it a like and you comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
You gotta subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the new shit's out. You already know. Get on this.
Hey, hey, pride's gonna be the death of me. Hold up, wait, you know you gotta guard your energy. You can't match my pedigree, now you gotta pay a fee. This ain't free, what you need? Go.